Hello, hello. This is Dion again, and I'm showing you a common issue that happens when you want your students to see your content. So this content in this course, it's a sandbox course. I have 4 or 5 modules, maybe 3 or 4 modules that I want the students to see. I'm in my student view. And I noticed that the modules are not showing up on the course navigation, and there are no, it says here, no modules have been defined for this course, but I know that there are some there. So I'm going to click out of student view, and I'm going to go into my modules and check them out. So here are my modules, and I can see that I have several modules already set up here. Here's what's happening. The actual modules, so the components, my pages, my lessons, my quizzes, are indeed published, but the module itself is not. So as long as I have at least one module open or published, that's going to show up to students. So I'm going to click on that very first one, and then I'm going to go home. I'm going to check this out on my student view. And here we go. The course is all showing up. And the modules will be on the side there. And as I then release each of the modules, they will begin to show up right here. All right. Bonus tip, by the way, you can always show kids this. There's a button on the top right that says collapse all. And that will make all of the cascading that happens inside of a module, it'll collapse it for the students. So as a course gets really long, sometimes that's really helpful for students to be able to collapse everything and then see all of the topics that you've been presenting. Have a good one. As always, feel free to reach out. Take care.